Yeah, right. That's pretty crazy. Watching the gunfight, Grapevine, Texas.
Hope he don't get scared and not come out. Where they at?
I don't
Come on
know.
with it, man.
Come on, boys, bring it.
Oh. It's 3:05, so. I've been sitting in that truck that whole time.
Are you waiting for it too, or what?
Well, kiss my grip. Dang it.
What's the deal?
So the other girls, do you all communicate or what
Oh,
they do in
yeah.
Idaho and all that? But y'all,
Yeah.
y'all little clan.
Yeah, that we just actually, she's from Idaho, and she just has her nonprofit salon, and she went to Thailand for she got the opportunity to go to Thailand to learn about human trafficking. So
Oh,
she
yeah,
just
for
had
the
this.
girls that kind.
Yeah.
For prostitution and stuff. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
bad stuff.
So that's what her salon is for, is just to help stop it. And then I went to China to a special needs orphanage, and just my heart was changed. And
Really?
so I'm trying to open a nonprofit hair salon for orphans. But I Googled her on the internet and found her, and that's how we found each other. But wow, that choo-choo train, huh?
That's the tarantula.
Tarantula
Really?
train. Yeah.
Well, that's neat.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome how we
Make the world
connected.
better.
Trying.
Here they come.
Oh, awesome.
There he is. It's on.
Oh, there they are.
I'm gonna bet on the other guy.
Yeah, okay. The guy that you can't see yet?
Yeah, he's coming around. He's gonna peek around that corner.
Oh, look at him. Look at him walking and stuff. Wow.
Here we go. Where's he at? He's waiting on that sucker, ain't he, to come around that corner. Here he comes.
Oh. Look at him.
Huh? Where's the boom boom? What the hell?
What are they doing?
Hey, they're just gonna go get in there and get drunk.
Being friends, go get
They're going to
drunk.
get there, drink a beer. If that's all there is to it, I'm pissed.
What?
Okay, bang bang. Let's get the hell out of Dodge. I can't. Well, no wonder there ain't a bunch of people out here. That's how she wrote. I swear I seen smoke yesterday. That just pisses me off. That's it.
Really?
Yeah,
Is it?
that's
Oh. Huh.
Shit. Let's go.